Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Identify your mic type and confirm your device supports it. Once done, connect power if needed, 48V Phantom for XLR condensers, and mount the mic on a stable stand. Make sure the pop filter sits between you and the capsule to reduce plosives, and position the mic 6 to 12 inches away at a slight angle so breath doesn't hit it directly. This prevents clipping and keeps tone natural while you begin recording. You now configure software and sound levels. First, choose the mic as your input in the operating system, and in your recording app, set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48K HZ, and bit depth to 24-bit for cleaner records. Then, speak at performance volume and raise gain until peaks average around -6 to -12 dB. Stop before any red clipping appears. Once gain is set, enable direct or software monitoring and apply a low cut near 80 Hz to remove room rumble. You begin recording with a brief test take. Listen carefully for sibilance, distortion, and room echoes, then tweak mic angle or gain as needed. Once satisfied, record in focus short takes and leave 2 to 3 seconds of silence at the start and end for easy editing. After recording, save a lossless WAV master and create a compressed MP3 for sharing. If audio sounds muffled, try moving the mic slightly off-axis or raise the sample rate. That troubleshooting tip fixes common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.